Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Zoey buns. First, prepare your hair by brushing it well to remove any tangles. Then, carefully part your hair right down the middle, creating 2 equal sections. Remember to leave out a few thin strands around your face. These will help soften the overall look later on. This initial preparation is key for achieving neat and balanced buns, setting a strong foundation for the rest of the style. Next, gather each of your 2 hair sections into a low ponytail, positioning them just behind your ears. Once your ponytails are secure, braid each one into a simple 3-strand braid. For those with thicker hair, making these braids tight is especially important to ensure the buns hold their shape throughout the day. This step forms the core structure of your Zoey buns, so take your time for even braids. Now it is time to form the buns. Take one braided ponytail and twist it around itself, creating a tight coil at the base of the ponytail. Secure this coiled bun firmly against your head using several bobby pins. A helpful tip is to use the wavy side of the bobby pin facing down. This provides a much better grip, keeping your buns in place for hours. Repeat this process for the second braided ponytail. To complete your Zoey buns, pull out a few face-framing strands you left earlier, softening the look. If you have bangs, curl them outwards, away from your face to capture Zoey's signature style. Finally, gently adjust and slightly loosen the buns themselves to add a bit more volume and texture. This creates a dynamic and playful look, perfect for any occasion, giving you that iconic, cute, and edgy vibe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.